Holy shit!
Welcome to the beauty of Kitzbühel. If you enjoy skiing, you have to hit this spot. You'll be amazed by the views and the small towns surrounded by the Alps. Kitzbühel is a small town with lots of neat shopping places and small cafes. If you look for a town with upper-class citizens, shops, bars, you'll find yourself very comfortable in Kitzbühel. Moreover, you have the chance to go out at night after your day at the slopes. The spot to hit right after you race down the famous drive is first of all the pavilion. Après-ski is the main thing to do. Whenever the party cools down, you are more than welcome to join the crowd at the Londoner, an Irish-English pub. After a couple of pins, you will hit the nightclub Take 5.
Okay, let's finally start to talk about KitzSki area. You have two access points from Kitzbühel. The first one is the Hahnenkammbahn, which will take you to the main ski area. The other one is the so-called Kitzbühlerhorn, which is the only ski area you have to go by bus or car, as it's not directly connected with the rest of KitzSkiing. You can start to hit the slopes with the first gondola at 8:30. It doesn't matter which gondola you take, be it Kirchberg, Jochberg, Fleckalm or Kitzbühel, they are all connected anyway. The last run is at 4:30, and again, it doesn't matter where you end up, because there's a free bus to every single ski area. By the way, if you go by car, the only parking place you have to pay for is at the Hahnenkammbahn. Talking about prices in general, the ski passes are a little bit more expensive compared to other ski areas, as they will set you back about 50 euros a day. Once you hit the slopes, you will enjoy every single one of them. Also, the lifts are awesome, as you can enjoy comfortable seats with heaters, and there are slopes for every capability. But if you want to go backcountry skiing, it's possible, but there are better places to be. In our opinion, the best tracks are the number 16 near the Fleckalmbahn, as it's also the longest track. The slopes at the lift called the 2000er are also a lot of fun. Overall, I would recommend the area around the Resterhöhe, where you probably will find the best slopes in Kitzbühel. Whenever you need a break, there will be plenty of possibilities to enjoy very good and authentic Tyrolean food and a couple of beers. On the other hand, if you enjoy a nice view, take the gondola to the Kitzbühlerhorn. You will just be amazed by the surroundings.
And now, just relax, stay put, and enjoy the show.
Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're at Kitzbühel and we're just heading up the second time on the gondola and want to show you some slopes on the way down and enjoy the show.
Yeah, it's really nice here. The mountains are just beautiful and the snow is really good. But it's 15 degrees Celsius right now, so it's really freezing and the slopes are really hard. But it's a lot of fun and we have some fog, so that's a kind of not so cool, but it's a lot of fun, so just enjoy.